This is no longer just a shadow conflict. It is direct, it is visible, and it is undeniable. What was once hidden behind the military secrecy, it has now been exposed, and that too from the space. Ladies and gentlemen, fresh satellite images, they have revealed what really happened at one of America's most important bases in the Middle East. Here we are talking about Al Dhafra Air Base in the UAE. Once considered secure, is now at the center of a shocking attack. In the dead of the night, Iran's forces launched a coordinated strike using missiles and drones. And this wasn't just a random warning shot. This was a direct hit. Picture this moment for a second. A very quiet military base housing some of the world's most advanced fighter jets. About 2,000 US personnel on site. Operations running as usual, and then suddenly there are sirens, there are explosions, and there is impact. Within minutes, parts of the base, they were engulfed in flames. And now, the truth is coming out through satellite images. High-resolution visuals show the scale of destruction. In fact, one major hangar completely torn apart, blackened by fire. Another one, its roof ripped open, exposing what lies inside. Now, these are not minor damages. These are critical infrastructure hits. And wait, these hangars, they are not ordinary buildings. They house and they maintain the F-35 stealth fighter jet, some of the world's most advanced aircraft. Jets that are designed to be nearly invisible to the radar. Jets that define modern air power. And now, their shelters have been struck. And wait, this changes everything because Al Dhafra is not just any base, it is a key US military hub in the West Asia. Basically, a launch pad for drone mission, a center for surveillance, a backbone of American operation in that particular region. In fact, for years, its importance was known, but not openly discussed. In fact, the presence of the US force over there, it was only recently acknowledged publicly by the UAE. And now it has become a target. Now, wait, let's just understand what this really means. Iran didn't just fire randomly. The use of missiles and precision drones, it suggests carefully planning and executing the target. While the focus on hangars are logistic zones, it shows intent, not just to damage, but to disrupt the operation. Well, this is a message. No base is out of reach, no asset is untouchable now. But here's a bigger question. What happens next? Will the US respond with force? Will this trigger a wider military escalation across the Gulf? Or are we already witnessing the start of a much larger confrontation? Here, one thing is certain. The battlefield is expanding and the targets are becoming more and more strategic. And the risk? Far greater than before. This is no longer distant conflict. This is a direct clash of power. So stay tuned with us for more updates because this story, it is still unfolding and the next move could change every single thing.